Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our beloved Madam Aisha. Today, our group will be presenting about a very interesting topic, which is the benefits of meditation to one's health and well-being. Meditation is defined as a set of practices that can bring the peacefulness of mind and can improve the appreciation of oneself, soul, mind, and surrounding. Nowadays, life pressure has threatened people's well-being physically and mentally. This may be because they don't know how to cope with the difficult situations and will end up making wrong decisions such as involving themselves in self-harm and suicide. So now we are promoting the benefits of meditation to the people to encourage them to do meditation as a way to improve the quality of their life in terms of an alternative for physical pain relief, a coping mechanism for depression, and a natural remedy to slow down skin aging. So now let's continue with our first presenter, Sister Amira.
Thank you, Sister Akmal. Okay. I am Siti Amira, and now I will explain to you about meditation as alternative for physical pain relief. What is pain? Pain is an unpleasant sensory and traumatic encounter connected with real or possible tissue impairment with sensory, emotional, cognitive, and social components that can protect the body from damage caused by overload. There are many types of meditation, which is one of it is mindfulness meditation. It can be as application of mind-body methods to cure chronic pain, which can alleviate pain and considerably reduce chronic pain symptoms. The latest research found that individuals with serious low back pain and generalized pain who underwent mindfulness training demonstrate a comparable decoupling of sensory and emotional pain that decrease pain severity of or frequency and improve pain management. So we're moving on to mindful benefits of mindfulness-based stress reduction (MBSR). The first benefit is lowering cortisol levels in cancer patients. Second, reduce pain ratings in a number of pain-related illnesses such as migraine, fibromyalgia, chronic pelvic pain, and irritable bowel syndrome. Third, minimize pain intensity. Fourth, improve pain tolerance in acute pain, arthritic pain, chronic pain, migraine pain, and experimental and clinical pain. And last but not least, activate corticothalamic cortical connections to relieve pain via mechanisms such as inhibitory control. So we move on to evidence of meditation effectiveness. According to the research, the effectiveness of mindfulness meditation has been found to be more helpful in reducing pain than placebo and can be a suitable narcotic-free pain treatment so that it can be a simple self-care strategy that can potentially reduce medication burden for patients. And lastly, mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, and cognitive behavioral therapy programs (CBT) were shown to be considerably more effective than conventional treatment in reducing pain intensity, and reports of pain getting disturbing after a few weeks. But sometimes the meditation is used directly to combat acute exacerbation as well as in combination with conventional medical management of illness. So that's all from me. I will pass the presentation to Sister Akmal.
Okay, let's continue our discussion on meditation as coping mechanism for depression. A chronic form of depression is a mental disorder that involves significant social and health-related ruination, increased comorbidity rates, and high risk of suicide. People become more socially secluded and suffer from poor cognitive function, especially memory. What are depression symptoms? Depression symptoms includes anxiety, exhaustion, feeling unworthy, changes in appetite, weight, and sleep, and also suicidal behavior. Indeed, depression can involve a lot of dark thoughts. You might feel hopeless, worthless, or angry at life, or even yourself. My first point is meditation helps people to deal with negative thoughts and bad feelings. Through meditation, gloomy feelings that are arising can be acknowledged easily. So, when people recognize those negative thought patterns, they might place an emphasis on self-indulgence to prevent any worse situation. Meditation helps the person to concentrate on his thoughts and feelings without any self-criticism. During meditation, people don't have to force themselves to restrain those negative thoughts or pretend like they don't exist, but people recognize and embrace them and then let them go freely. In this way, meditation helps to remove all negative thinkings from the mind. My next point is meditation breaks the connection between areas of the brain that concerned with stress and anxiety, which are media prefrontal cortex, MPFC, or known as the me center, where humans process information about themselves, such as worrying about the future and ruminating about the past. And the second part is amygdala. Amygdala is known as the fear center that triggers the adrenal glands to release the stress hormone cortisol in response to fear and perceived danger. Scientists have shown that these two brain regions work off each other to cause depression. When people get stressed about life, the media prefrontal cortex or MPFC becomes hyperactive. Then the amygdala responds, and this leads to a spike in cortisol levels to fight a danger that's only in your mind. So, research has found that meditation helps break the connection between these two brain regions. Okay, that's all from me. Let's continue with Sister Sakina.
Moving on to the next point. Meditation also can be a natural remedy to slow down skin aging. Skin aging happens as time goes by because of the UV radiation, toxins in foods, as well as the environment. And this will lead to the changes in our cells and worsening our skin condition. It has been found that the type of meditation to improve our skin condition is yoga. So what is yoga? Yoga is an old meditative practice from 5,000 years ago that being invented as systemized and packaged practice to attract audiences globally. And it involves a certain method which includes postures and breathing techniques. Yoga has been practiced worldwide with millions of people to increase strength, flexibility, reduce stress, achieve the highest level of consciousness, which also can nourish and open every muscle in the body as well as the face. So, what can yoga do? First of all, yoga meditation helps in reducing age. What is age? Age is the short form for advanced glycation end products, which is harmful compounds that are formed when protein or fat are combined with sugar in the bloodstream. So this will lead to the problem of level of sugar and the bloodstream. It has been found that age has effect on skin aging. So when a person does yoga, it has been found that the function of tissue being upgraded and it can boost glucose control. It also helps in mechanical tissue stimulation and it also increase blood circulation and insulin receptor expression on the muscle. When all of these functions are being improved and balanced, the age in bloodstream will be reduced and our skin appearance will become better. The next one is yoga meditation also can reduce stress and helps in the lymphatic flow. So, first of all, we must know that stress is one of the factors of skin aging which lead to constant frowning, which results in the increase of wrinkles on the face. And it also contributes inflammatory disease such as acne, redness, or flushing. And a study has found that when a person does yoga, there is a spiritual connection in yoga. So it can help relax the mind and body. Hence, the level of stress will be reduced. It also can aid lymphatic flow to drain fluid and waste products, maintain proper tissue pressure, and balance immune response. As a result, acne can be cured or reduced. A research study that was carried out on middle-aged women also proven the effectiveness of facial yoga on facial appearance. After 30-minute time, spent daily for 20 weeks doing facial yoga, the mid-face and lower face fullness of these women has become better because it shows a great improvement in 18 of 20 facial features. Last but not least, meditation can give plenty of benefits on one's health and well-being, as it can help people reduce physical discomfort, treat depression, as well as maintain a healthy skin. In order to promote meditation to people, all parts of organization and everyone in the society plays a big role. For example, Ministry of Health have to conduct a campaign on meditation. The next one is the Ministry of Communication and Multimedia have to spread the information about meditation so that people will be aware about it through mass media. And lastly, the Ministry of Education must put or add a syllabus on meditation in the subject Pendidikan Jasmani and Kesihatan. On the other side, from the Islamic perspective, meditation can be practiced among Muslims as long as it is aligned with Quran and Sunnah, because the purpose is to maintain a person's health and well-being. So for example, for meditation that can be practiced by Muslims is by sitting alone on a prayer mat after prayers, and then close their eyes, breathe in and out, and think, then whisper to themselves about the blessings of Allah. Because in Islam, the remembrance of Allah is the most important. So that's all from us. We hope that this sharing about benefits of meditation can promote meditation to people all over the world, especially meditation, and they can practice it in their life to maintain a good life and happy life. Thank you for listening and watching.